The southwest monsoon, as you're aware, stormed into Kerala a week ahead of its scheduled arrival on the 1st of June. Like we said before, the heavy rain that has been lashing the state is likely to continue, with the Met Department retaining the heavy forecast issued for various districts. A red alert has been in force for two of the districts, Kozhikode and Wayanad, warning of extreme heavy rainfall, and an orange alert for 9 districts forecasting very heavy rainfall except Thiruvananthapuram, Kollam and Alappuzha, where a yellow alert has been issued indicating isolated heavy rains. In the state of Maharashtra, meanwhile, the deluge may have ceased, but parts of Mumbai and Thane experienced sporadic bursts of heavy rains, even as commuters and transporters continued to battle waterlogged roads and traffic jams. These are the visuals on your screens coming in from Vashim of Maharashtra. Now, speaking of Tamil Nadu, heavy rains in the Nilgiris have led authorities to issue a notice for public safety, while repair work is also going on to restore electricity and clear the roads of trees uprooted in the days past, which also saw landslides in many of the areas. Speaking about the state of Madhya Pradesh, heavy rains in Bhopal were followed by rains in the holy city of Ujjain. The city of lakes was also inundated with heavy monsoon showers. The southwest monsoon arrived in several parts of Odisha as well on Wednesday, around 13 days ahead of the normal time for its onset in the state. Here you see the Puri lashed by heavy rainfall. Knee-deep water on different parts. The monsoon may have hit the northeast at exactly the same time as Kerala, but rainfall is still sporadic, especially in the lower reaches. Guwahati experienced a spell of rain this morning, bringing much of the relief. Monsoon rains fell on Dehradun and Haridwar as well, increasing their picturesque beauty. Himachal's Shimla experienced a severe hailstorm, followed by sharp showers, while light to moderate rains occurred at isolated places of Himachal Pradesh. On your screens, you can see the visuals coming in from Dharamshala, Haridwar and Assam.